In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool text effect in Canva. To get started, add in your text, so just hover your mouse on text, then choose for any text styles. Next is type in your text and choose your desired font. Then next hover your mouse in the left panel and click on apps. Now search in Magic Morph, click on this app and open it up. So here you can see the steps. So start by selecting an element and we're just gonna click on our text. Next, we need to describe the look so we can simply type in metallic gold, then press the magic morph button. Now choose your preferred look from the given options. And once done, you can just delete your original text. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!